360.
Hey y'all, this is the first time driving the Bobcat Excavator. Let me know how you think I did in the comments. Thanks.
Put that down. Down all the way down. Let your say it won't go anywhere until you put that down. You don't have to mess with them controls or nothing. Alright, that's your blade. Blade's down. See that button with the little yellow button on it? Pull back on it. That'll lift your blade. Yeah. Come all the way up. The reason we're like this is it puts all the center of the weight back here with you. That's why I got the bucket like that. You can drive it by feet, but hands easier. Just push forward.
It's gonna roll over, right?
Yeah, just push forward.
Where am I going?
Slow, just go over there, by the, around the back of the house. But go wide, don't go through the driveway. It'll be fine. Have fun. Yeah. Forward. Keep pushing. It's slow. It ain't going nowhere. Keep pushing. Yeah. Just let off. It'll stop. When your blade's your brake. That's your brake right there. You drop that, it ain't going nowhere. Like if you have to drive, yeah, that's your lifesaver, that blade and that bucket. But you got it. You got the radio on. It's got heater on it. I don't even know if the heater's on. The heater will burn you out of there.
To impress me at the things she does around the farm. She's doing really well her first time in the Bobcat 337. So let her know in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching.
Go. Pull her up to the shop and give her a good old grease job. You're doing good. I said you're doing good. It gets a little bouncy over rocks, but it ain't going nowhere. That's good right there. That'll work. All right. I'm gonna show you how to spin it now. All right, don't worry about this control yet. Let's see. Just go real slow. You can go back the other way. If you go too fast, it's jerky.
Oh, yeah. With the dirt on here, go around?
Yeah.
You won't tilt sideways?
Just go real slow. Just go around this way.
It does tilt what I do, just let go of everything.
Put your blade down. Go ahead and put your blade down. That keeps you from tilting. It's like a bulldozer. All right there. That'll lock you in place. Yeah. No, that's good. It'll keep it from bouncing. Just go real slow. Do your good spin. You can go a little faster. $360. Good job. Huh?
Is that straight?
Yeah, just get as straight as you can.
Straight down?
I know, I try it out. Is that heater working? No, just when you're sitting there, put that up so you don't bump your controls. Because now it won't do nothing. And if that's up, yeah, it won't do nothing. All right, reach over there and turn the lights off. Well, I'm gonna set the bucket on the ground. But you gotta put this back down, because it'll bleed down on you. Let's see which one it is. Yeah, just straight down. Hold on, for this one, I think.
Okay, I was gonna say.
Yeah, straight down. And that just takes the pressure off the arm overnight. And see that button over there that just says stop? You gotta hit it twice.
Yeah.
Stop. And then one more time kills the power. Yep. And that's it. Simple. And that glass, I like it. This glass slides all the way over the top of you, so you can open it up like a Jeep. It's a pretty sunset back there. Let's see if I can use the Bobcat though. Alright, let's see if we can get something ready. Thanks for watching, and one more time. Thanks for watching.
Stay tuned, like and subscribe.
Yep, as always. Look at that sunset through there.